Hey folks, today in this video we will learn how to install Python, and here we also see how to check the version of Python and what is the pip, and next we will see how to run code in Python, how to install the dependency in the Python, and how to take user input in Python. Okay, let's start coding. So to install Python you need to go to the website that is python.org, www.python.org, and then you need to click on download. After clicking download, you will see the Python 3.12 is already available for my Mac OS. You can also install for Windows Python, then it will be downloaded. You see it is downloaded, and let complete the download. After download you need to open. You will see that it is open, and after click on continue, you will read the documentation if you want, and then history and license details, then next continue, okay, agree, then install. Then Python 3.12 will be installed in my system. Okay, download install is done. So after this you need to open the terminal and open the terminal, and how to check the Python version. Write Python 3 --pr version. Okay, so you will see the Python 3.12 version is installed in my system. Okay, and how to check pip version in your system. The pip 23.2.1 version is installed in my system. First one question is coming in your mind. What is the pip? Pip is a version control that help you to install all dependency. If you write code is note, then you will also hear about npm, hear about yarn. Those are help to install all dependency. Suppose you want to install some library, and another library you also want to install, and you see there is some dependency, and same library have a two library has common dependency. Sometimes this library and the common version is sometimes not work. Then the pip is help to install the dependency that's need for the project setup. So pip always help. In this video I am using only Python 3, not Python 2. Okay, so let's see the next thing what we can. Okay, so let's open VS Code. Let me create a folder that is basic, and inside this basic folder I create a folder main.py, and here we are writing some code, print hello world. Okay, so after saving, I am first need to go to the directory folder that is Python. I need to go to folder that is basic, then run command python 3 and the file name main.py. Then you will see the output is coming hello world. So our first coding that is hello world, print hello world is ready. Next we will see how to take input from a user. Data equal to input, enter your data. Okay, then we will print the data here below. So this is our data, and we will write like this, and there is another option. We always like to use this one, that is yep. Then we will, this is our data, and you can write here data. Okay, let run the code that is Python 3 and main.py. Then you will see the some message is coming, that is first is hello world, and then enter your data. That is data is I am entering some string that is 234, then your data is 234, and keep in mind this is the data always be a string. So let me type and the data type. So to see the data type in Python, you write some type and we pass a variable. Then you can see the data type, enter data 123, then you will see data type is a class string. Okay, so that's for taking input, and there is three type of data, that is string, then variable. There is mainly three type of variable, that is string, boolean, and number. Okay, number you can, in the number is float, and int. Okay, so that's are mainly things. Now if you come your mind how to define the variable, string, if you define string like this, and bool you can define like true false, and number you can define like 2 3 4. It is a integer. If you want to convert the string to number, bool to number, and number, some case it integer you convert to in float, then you need to use typecasting. What is typecasting? Typecasting, sometime you want to convert string. Suppose here you are taking input as string, but you need to this data as a number. This time you need to use typecasting. Okay, so here is some str num, okay, that is 2 to 4, and we will print the str num type of str num. And after casting, let me cast. To changing the casting for string to numbers, we are mainly use int, and if you want float, then you need to use float as a casting to change our variable. Let me try here, that is type of here we can int, we use int, okay, for typecasting, and we pass a num number. You will see, let me run and you will see we are entering data. After entering data, you will see the string num that is in this code, that is first string. After typecasting, it is a now a integer. Okay, if you want the picture to add to number, those can is possible. Okay, we will see all those things in details. Okay, if possible we will see. That's a simple basic. You can also go to the website, lot of website is there, and you can try there how Python is running. There is a basic introduction that help you to start coding. I am not able to learn everything. I will show you the way you can. So you clear? If you get any number in string, how to convert to a number, to for this you can use int. If you want to floating number, then you change to it, that is float. Okay, and if you have any doubt to check the what type of data, you would simply write the type. Okay, that is for simple variable to start code in Python. Okay, and if you want to write code in like main.py, you can also write in like this, and Python, this terminal is open, and you can also write Python code here. Here you can write data equal to 1 2 3 4, and if you want to typecasting, that is in integer, so you can write data, so it will come as a integer. Okay, if you want to write this in float, then you would simply write float, and that is data. Okay, then you will see the coming, that is a floating number. Okay, so that's a simple. You can experiment, learn more and more, and it will help you to learn this language. Okay, that's it for today video. We'll see you soon in next video.